In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay period in QuickBooks Online. Changing a pay period or pay schedule is something you might do when your business grows, your team changes, or you want to align pay dates with cash flow. You'll need access to payroll in QuickBooks Online to follow along. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and opening your company. From the left navigation, head to the team area and open employees. This is the hub for everything related to your people, including payroll, profiles, and schedules, so it's the right place to manage how and when your team gets paid. Next, click Run Payroll. Don't worry, you're not going to run a payroll right now. This just takes you into the payroll workspace where the settings you need are located. It's the quickest path to the controls that determine your pay periods and pay dates. On the Run Payroll page, open the payroll settings and select Pay Schedules. This is where QuickBooks stores the rules that define your pay frequency, like weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, along with the period start and end dates and the actual payday. Think of pay schedules as templates that ensure every payroll lines up with the dates you expect. Here, you can either update an existing schedule or create a new one. To edit, select the schedule you want to change and adjust the frequency, the first pay date on the new cadence, and the corresponding period dates. To add a new schedule, choose the option to create one, give it a clear name, set the frequency, select the first payday, and confirm the period the paycheck will cover. Take a moment to review the summary so it's clear which workdays are included and when funds will be dispersed. When you're satisfied, click Save for edits or Create for a new schedule. A few tips as you wrap up. Make these changes between payroll runs to avoid conflicts with a payroll that's already in progress. Confirm that the upcoming payday and period end date don't overlap with any completed payrolls. If you use direct deposit, allow your usual lead time before the next payday so there are no delays. It's also helpful to use descriptive names for schedules if you manage different groups, like hourly versus salaried staff, so everyone stays organized. Once saved, your updated or new pay schedule will appear in the list, and QuickBooks will use it the next time you run payroll. That's all there is to it: quick, accurate, and aligned with your business needs.